Many students study science and engineering, yet they still struggle to understand how things actually work. They learn formulas, but not the ideas behind them. They see machines, but not the principles inside them. They hear about space, but cannot connect it to the physics they study. The real problem is not lack of effort, it is due to lack of clear explanation. Students want knowledge that is simple, direct, and organized. They want someone to explain concepts step by step. They want to know why things work, not only what they are. They want to see how physics, electronics, engineering, and space science are connected in real life. In reality, these subjects are not separate. The laws that control atoms also control electricity, engines, and the motion of planets. All systems, small or large, follow the same principle. Once these connections are shown clearly, learning becomes logical and meaningful. Welcome to Quark Wave. Quark Wave is created to give clear and structured scientific explanation. Every topic is connected to real systems. Every idea is explained in simple language. No unnecessary complexity. Just clear understanding of how universe works. To achieve this, we provide a structured 7-day content plan built for consistent learning. On Mondays, we present our 10 facts series, delivering 10 unique, surprising insights across diverse technical and general topics. Tuesdays, introduce Space Wonder, visually explaining real phenomena and surprising truths about the universe. Wednesdays are dedicated to deep thought explainers, hypothesis-driven episodes. Thursdays feature hands-on electronics, focusing on practical circuit construction and component theory. Fridays deliver how it works, providing detailed engineering breakdowns of complex mechanical and industrial systems. Saturdays cover space science, how it works, offering conceptual clarity in astrophysics, cosmology, and planetary science. And Sundays conclude the week with our signature 5-level explanation series, detailing a single concept across 5 distinct depths of professional understanding. The purpose of Quark Wave is simple: to explore how reality works at every level. We study everything from the behavior of the smallest particles to the gravitational waves that shape the universe. Our goal is to make advanced science clear, structured, and useful for anyone who wants real understanding. This is a community built on logic, precision, and facts.